Today is the day to open your eyes, to rise yourselves and take you back to our glorious past. Mr. President, the entire world knows that this world was under the possession of Muslims. History bears that during the Ottoman Empire, Muslim ruled for about 600 years. No force was able to compete them or to face them. They were developed economically, educationally, scientifically, culturally, socially, and even in all walks of life. But the point to be noted is that what held them so high? What was the secret of their success? Because they were united. They held the rope of Allah. They had a firm faith and would believe that no force could beat us as long as we follow the teachings of Islam. But today, when I observe the current situations of Muslim Ummah, my eyes flow tears and ask me, what caused us to be thrown out of the light and into the darkness? What took us from rise to fall? Is it the conspiracy of Jews, America, international propaganda of Islamophobia? Or we ourselves have done all these harms? Regretfully, I have to say that we have left the rope of Allah. We prefer the enemy's culture, their civilizations, traditions, and even whole lifestyle. So this is the reason of our fall, that we are in such a crucial circumstances. Running behind the money, deceit in transforming, cruelty, oppression, obscenity and nudity, biasness, and laying the purposeless life. But as Allah says, Allah will not change the condition of people until they change what is in themselves. So we must not forget that still we have a chance to return back to Allah, to regain what we have lost, to defeat our enemies once again, to change our destiny, and to bring our glorious past back. Isn't that what we all want? Isn't that what we all for in this hall? Our efforts can be fruitful and make this world a heaven again. So my fellow flowers, when I look at you, I see something in you, and I know that you are the one who would take the Ummah to where it deserves. Thanks.